Antediluvian, exploring an ancient word. Imagine a world before the Great Flood, a time so ancient it's barely conceivable. This is the essence of our word for today, antediluvian. Word type: antediluvian is an adjective. Meaning, antediluvian describes something extremely old, outdated, or belonging to a much earlier period. It can refer to things that are primitive, old-fashioned, or antiquated to the point of being obsolete. Word history: the term antediluvian comes from the Latin words ante, meaning before, and diluvium, meaning flood. It originally referred to the period before the Great Flood described in the Bible. Over time, its usage broadened to describe anything extremely ancient or outmoded. Antonyms: some antonyms for antediluvian include modern, contemporary, current, and up-to-date. Synonyms: synonyms for antediluvian include archaic, prehistoric, primordial, antiquated, and obsolete. Examples used in sentences. Here are some examples of how to use antediluvian in sentences. The professor's antediluvian theories about gender roles had no place in modern sociological discourse. The antediluvian computer system at the office desperately needed an upgrade to meet current technological standards. The remote village seemed frozen in time, with antediluvian farming practices still in use. Her grandmother's antediluvian views on marriage often clashed with the more progressive attitudes of younger family members. Common errors in use. One common mistake is using antediluvian to simply mean old or aged. Remember, it implies extreme age or outdatedness, not just something that's a few years old. Another error is mispronouncing the word. The correct pronunciation is Antediluvian, with the stress on the fourth syllable. Lastly, be cautious about overusing this word. While it's impressive vocabulary for IELTS, using it too frequently might make your speech or writing seem forced or unnatural. Antediluvian is a powerful word that can add sophistication to your vocabulary. Use it to describe concepts, practices, or objects that are extremely outdated or belong to a much earlier era. By incorporating this word effectively, you can demonstrate a high level of English proficiency in your IELTS exam and beyond.